In this video, I will show how you can improve your security camera images by using light compensation. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Claudemir Martins and today I will talk about light compensation for security cameras. Let's imagine a situation like this. You have to buy a camera for your environment, but you have too much light or you don't have light enough for your environment. So you need to buy cameras with technologies to compensate for that. Let's see here in the screen. Some of those technologies are WDR, BLC and SenseUp. Let's see the first one, Backlight Compensation, BLC. In this example, we have a window here with too much light coming through this window. And then you have my area of interest. I want to see this region here where I have this woman. And then there are too much light coming into the camera. The light is coming from the window through the camera and I can't see clearly outside, but I don't care. I care just about what's inside of this window, meaning this woman, right? So in this case, I can use backlight compensation to compensate for that specific situation. Let's see an example here, right? I have here a window and then I have BLC off on my camera. And then I can see details here outside because I have a lot of light outside. I can see a lot of details, but I don't have details enough inside. I have less details here inside. Then I can turn on BLC and look here in the window now. I don't have details here. I have less details here and I have more details here inside. And that's what I want. I want to see what's inside, not what is outside. So I can use BLC for this situation. And here, let's see another example. I have wide dynamic range. In this situation, I want to see what's outside, my area of interest outside. And also I have the area of interest inside. I have to see both outside and inside. Then I can use WDR with a wide dynamic range. Here an example of the use of wide dynamic range. It's off in the situation, so I cannot see details outside and I cannot see details inside. It's a pretty bad image. Then I turn on WDR and then I can see more details here outside and also can see more details here inside. So WDR is a better technology for this situation. I want to see outside and I want to see inside. Here another example, backlight compensation versus WDR. The first image I have conventional camera with less details here inside. Another situation I have more details here inside because I have BLC. Look at outside, I can't see clearly outside, but I don't care. If I care, if I want to see details here outside, more details, I want to see details here inside, then I have to use WDR. So when you have a low light environment, just like this one, you have low light area with an object of interest, just like here, you need to compensate for that. In this example, I have here SenseUp, the technology that I'm going to use. SenseUp is off right now. And then I have a dark area. When I turn on SenseUp, I can have an area like this. It's a visible area. And this technology works with frame integration that I'm going to discuss in another video. Okay. When you're going to buy your camera, you just look at the catalog and you can see WDR, BLC, or SenseUp. In this example, I have BLC available. It stands for backlight compensation. And also have WDR in this camera, it stands for wide dynamic range. And I have SenseUp integration to compensate for light. So that's all for today. If you want to learn more, just click in the link in the description to download your free guide and also leave your thumbs up, your comments, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.